All right, so we're leaving the world of probability. Some of you are happy, some are not. We're jumping into statistics. Statistics is the study of data analysis and interpretation. The mean, median, mode are single central values that help describe a set of data. Okay, they're called the measures of central tendency. So to review, mean is the sum of the data values divided by the total number of data values. Median is the middle number when listed in numerical order. Mode is the most frequently occurring value. We can have no mode, we can have multiple modes, and bimodal means that the data has two modes. So we're going to jump right into examples. We're going to find the mean, median, the mode. For example, 1. The very, very first thing I want you all to do is list your data in numerical order. So we have 1, and as you do it, please cross off your data. I have a 2. I have another 2, a 3, and 2 5s. So we've listed them in numerical order. I need to find my mean. To find the mean, I need to add the values together. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5. I'm going to, on my calculator, compute the sum. I do not expect you on your papers to write out all the addition. I'm doing it so you can see where we're getting values from. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of data, so I'm going to divide it by 6. So when I add those values up, that's 5, 10, 15, and 3 makes 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So the mean, the average of my data values is 3. Next, I want to find the median. Median means the middle number. So if I count over, I get 3 on the left and 3 values on the right. That means the median falls between 2 numbers. To find that when that happens, I simply add the 2 numbers together and divide by 2. So I find their average. So that's 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. Mode. I look to see what repeats. I have 2 2s and 2 5s. So my mode is 2 and 5. They both repeat the same amount. So let's look at another example. You guys can try this one. I will give you the answers. I want you to try it on your paper. I'm not going to look through it, but you can go through and try it. We're going to do example 3 together because it has decimals, your favorite. So the first thing we want to do is list them in numerical order. So my smallest number is 2.4. Then I jump to 2.8, and I have 2 of those. Next, I have 3.7, 3.9, 4.3, and 5.4. Those are all of my data values, and I've listed them all out. Now, I need to find the mean by adding them all together, and I'm going to divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values, because there's 7 values in my list. So adding them all up, you should get a sum of 25.3. Divide that by 7, and we get a big long decimal, which we have to round it, and it's approximately 3.61. To find the median, I simply look at my numbers and my values that are listed in order. I have 7 values, which means if I take this middle number, it leaves me with 3 on the left and 3 on the right. So my median is 3.7. Next, to find the mode, we look for the repeats. When you have them listed in numerical order, it's really easy to see the repeats. In this case, my mode is 2.8.